Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a website with SiteGround, easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the SiteGround website. Once the homepage loads, locate the Start Now button. Click on the Start Now button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Select the plan you prefer by clicking on the corresponding Get Plan button. Next, you will see an option to register a new domain. Enter your desired domain name in the provided field. Choose the appropriate domain extension from the drop-down menu. Click on the Proceed button to check the availability of your domain. If your desired domain is available, it will be confirmed on the next screen. If not, consider selecting a different name or extension. After confirming your domain name, proceed to fill out your account details. Provide your email address and set up a secure password. Complete the personal and billing information sections carefully. Make sure all information is accurate to avoid issues later. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, select your preferred payment method. Enter the necessary payment details and click Pay Now to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation email with your account information shortly after. Log in to your SiteGround account using the credentials you just created. Now, you can access your new website setup dashboard. From here, you can configure your website settings and begin building your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.